Today, welcome to a word in season with my humble self, Tunde Amosun. We're going to spend some few minutes together today. And have you ever wondered why we go through trials? If God is full of compassion and love, why does he allow us to go through trials, through pain sometimes, and disappointment? And we wonder. I mean, if you look through the pages of the Bible, you see people suffering. And you see great men of God suffering, like Abraham passing through years of lack of, a baby. Saw Joseph going to prison. Saw Moses in the wilderness. And you wonder, why do you have to go through all that? That's because we don't understand heaven's arithmetics. What is heaven's arithmetics? Heaven converts trials to glory. The raw materials for glory is our trials, it's our struggles. That's the way God built this planet after the fall. After Adam sinned, God determined in his heaven's economy to take all our struggles, all our pains, all our pressures, to build us a glorious life. Listen to this. Chapter 4, verse 17. The book of Paul, 2 Corinthians, that he wrote to the Corinthians. Chapter 4, verse 17, 2 Corinthians. For our light affliction, which is but for a moment, is working for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. Our light affliction, which is for a moment, is working for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. Did you hear that? Let me try and read it in a Bible that we call Amplified, Message Bible. It said, these hard times are small potatoes compared to the coming good times, the lavish celebration prepared for us. I like that. Hard times, good times. So there's glory, there's affliction. And if you don't see the connect between the two, you will go on all your life living in frustration. You have to learn to convert in your mentality, in your mindset, that every time you hit a trial, a pressure, a struggle, affliction, that can be converted to glory. Wow. Get that into your system. Don't ever let that truth go. Always remember that when you are hit by any adversity, any struggle, any affliction, look for the glory that comes from God, and let you and God get together to convert that trial, that affliction, to glory. So there's something glorious in your struggle. Make up your mind today to be heaven's accountant. Don't just be only the earth accountant. You can't all your trials, all your pains, all your struggles, all your afflictions. That's heart accountant. How do you count heavenly? Count like this. Yeah, that trouble, this is the glory. Next one, more glory. Next one, more glory. In your life, don't forget to count your blessings. And remember, the blessings come from your struggle. A case in point, look at Joseph. They sold him. They got together. They sold the dreamer. And you think, wow, but if they never sold him to Egypt, how will he get there in the first place? He got to Egypt. He got to the house of Potiphar. There was plenty. He was an officer of the Pharaoh. A lot of money, a lot of stuff. So he was running the thing. He was running plenty. And then next thing that happened, lied about, went to prison. Whoa, what will happen next? If he never gone to prison, he wouldn't have met Pharaoh's officials that take him to the place. So he got to the prison, met those men. Years later, he got to Pharaoh's palace. To do what? To handle abundance and famine. Guess what? He learned how to handle abundance in the trials of Potiphar's house. You learn how to handle famine through time in prison. See, learn to let what you go through become a badge of honor on your shoulder. Don't forget that in heaven's arithmetic, your trial is working for you. We read that. It's working for us. So your pain, your affliction is working for you, not against you. Thank you for listening. Till we see you again.